how to create new folder on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, here in the screen, okay, you'll have to do is right click on mouse, and now you can see the pop-up and you can see the new folder. Okay, to create a folder, click the new folder on pop-up, and now we have successfully create a new folder. So if you want to rename this folder, okay, you'll have to do is right click on folder, and you can see the rename button here. Okay, you can click the rename, and now you can change the name of this folder. So for my example, I create a folder chat, okay, and hit enter. And okay guys, you have successfully changed the name of this folder. So you can open this folder, double click this, and you can see the folder here and this tab. So okay, so if you want to put a image or video or files on this folder, okay, you can go to file you want to put on this folder. So for my example, I put this image. So okay, you'll have to do is select the image you want to put on this chat folder. Okay, you can select. For my example, I select these two images. So okay, right click and you can copy this image, or you can move this by press and hold the image and drag to this folder. Okay, this tab, and okay, release on this folder. That's it. Okay, if you open this folder, you can see the image or two images on this folder. And you can change the position of this folder by press and hold and slide and put this folder to position you want. Okay, and if you want to create another folder, okay, right click again and create a new folder. But if you want to copy this folder, okay, right click on this folder and copy, then paste. Okay, here the paste folder or copy folder of this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully create new folder on MacBook Air.